This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous Italian wine. We are looking at how to pronounce with the typical Italian pronunciation, Montepulciano. So the first thing, as you may have noticed already while I said it, is that the C of Montepulciano is pronounced in Italian like it was CH. So do not say Montepulciano, Montepulciano, no, but rather Montepulciano. The U in the middle is pronounced with the sound U, so Montepulciano. So for the typical Italian accent and pronunciation, as you've heard me say again, do emphasize and put an accentuation on the letter A towards the end of Montepulciano. Do say Montepulciano, Montepulciano. If you are wondering what is Montepulciano, if there's a bit of confusion between the grape variety that is Montepulciano that you will find in Abruzzo, for example, Montepulciano d'Abruzzo, and there is also a town or a little village in Tuscany that is called Montepulciano, that makes the famous Vino Nobile di Montepulciano, that is actually made from another grape that is called Sangiovese. If there's a bit of confusion in your mind, well, here is a video explaining exactly what is Montepulciano. Is it a grape? It is a wine? Well, it's kind of both, but you'll find all the explanations in this video. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye. Ciao, ciao.